We are pleased to show you the 2022 Explorer.
You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices.
This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options:
Power lift gate, navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, heated rear seats.
This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.